So one of the most common mistakes that I see salespeople make is failure to build appropriate rapport. I see it over and over again, and after 20 years in real estate, I find that sometimes I have really incredible agents that are great at explaining financials, value, and our value proposition, but they don't do a good enough job of building rapport with their prospects. So today I want to give you a few tips on things you can do to help yourself as a salesperson build better rapport. First and foremost, you want to mirror the client. If the client's talking fast, you talk fast. If the client's talking slow, you talk slow. If they talk with their hands, you talk with their hands. If they don't, then you don't. Do your best to mirror your client, their body language, as well as their speech. They'll help them feel more comfortable with you. Second, you want to know what kind of personality profile they have. Okay, you can typically learn that. The more that you study personality profiles, you can know if they're outgoing, if they're introvert, extrovert, if they're analytical, and then you obviously want to communicate with them in things that they like. The next thing you want to do is find things in common with them. You might like the same sports team. You might find that they wear Air Jordans or they drive a Toyota Supra. Whatever it is, you find things that you have in common with them and then strike up conversation to get their guard down and make them feel more comfortable, because people buy from people they know, like, and trust. That includes going on social media prior to meeting with them and doing your research. Now, you don't want to look like a stalker, so you've got to be crucial how you bring this up. You can't say, hey, I looked you up on LinkedIn and I saw you went to this school. You got to find a way to weave what you learn into the conversation so it seems natural. The fourth thing that you want to do, and this is really, really important, you want to make sure that you do not challenge them on anything. Your goal is not to disagree with them. If they are different than you in politics or religion or a sports team, this isn't the opportunity to introduce conflict. You're trying to build connection and rapport. Those are topics you probably want to avoid conversing with. So if you want to become a great salesperson, master building rapport.